Strap in and prepare for takeoff. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 takeoffs aboard the iOptimize Realty corporate jet. From powerful runway launches to breathtaking climbs into the clouds, each moment showcases the thrill of flight at its finest. This is more than just a countdown. It's a front row seat to aviation perfection. So buckle up and get ready to soar.
Notice there's no rush, never rush. Well, there's times when you got to move fast, but it's best when you don't have to move fast to just do everything methodically and slow. Slow is fast, and fast is usually slow, which is ironic, but true. Okay, I do a full stop. Okay, waiting for the engines to get to the carrots, they're there. Okay, now my feet are off the brakes and on the rudders. We're holding center line. Speed cross checks, they're both coming up. Yep. Okay. Put that aileron into the wind, and there's V1, and there's rotation. Okay, 2 good engines, and you can feel me crabbing into the wind, right?
Yeah, I can feel it.
Gears coming up.
9, go
MCT, and flaps are coming up.
Wind 27014, gust 26, runway 32, clear for takeoff, northeast approved.
Alright, northeast approved, clear for takeoff, 32, 9 Golf Alpha.
Or just
HondaJet 0 Delta Charlie, continue running, heading New York 125.7, good day.
25-7, New York, 0 Delta Charlie, thank you.
Happy New Year.
You too. Switch freaks, and heading. Autopilot. Okay. Low power. Notice I didn't call New York yet. First I'm stabilizing the plane. We're runway heading. Climbing.
Speed target.
Okay. Now I'll call New York. Hello, New York. HondaJet 430 Delta Charlie. 2,400 feet for 3,000. Runway heading.
430 Delta Charlie, New York departure, radar contact. Turn left heading 180. Climb maintain 12,000.
Left 180. 12,000. 0 Delta Charlie. Thank you. Line her up. Hold the brakes. So I'm going to wait till we get right to the carrots. There we go. Full power.
Release the brakes. Two good engines. Airspeed's alive.
Airspeed cross checks.
Okay. There's 80 knots.
Okay. There's a V1 and there's rotation. I'm about midfield. Pretty cool.
Positive rate.
Positive rate. Gears up. MCT. And flaps come up. Hit heading mode, please.
Yep, your heading mode is on 350. Heading mode.
Heading mode.
Heading mode is armed.
Okay. And we're climbing at 2,000.
Jet 0 Delta Charlie, contact Potomac departure. Have a good flight.
Over to Potomac, 0 Delta Charlie.
4,000.
Switch your radio, please.
Contact, climb via the Conley departure, except maintain 7,000.
You're on departure.
Climb via except maintain
Thank you.
7,000. Temperature 2157.
About 900 for 2,000.
Attention all craft, we have some hazardous weather information conducted segment
200
85 and
knots.
88 east, as well as a center weather advisory 101.
Power.
Out on high loss and flight service frequencies.
Dots. 30 Delta Charlie, runway 900, line up and wait. 1 Delta Foxtrot up to the pink shirt. Everyone else keep moving all the way up to the pink shirt.
430 Delta Charlie, line up and wait.
Thank you.
Already.
Okay. Good center line.
1-9er Sierra up to the pink shirt. Good job. Bird dog, keep going all the way up to the pink shirt. Bird dog flight. Bird dog flight. Haven't forgot your flight.
Ready for takeoff.
430 Delta Charlie, clear for takeoff. Flight runway heading.
Taking off, 430 Delta Charlie, thank you.
Runway 9, line up and wait, be ready. I got traffic
Okay.
on 1 mile final. 1-9er
Full
Sierra
power,
to the pink
2
shirt.
good engines.
Good job.
Huh?
1 Delta
Airspeed
Foxtrot,
cross
delay,
checks.
runway 9 clear for takeoff. Runway 9 clear for takeoff. Nice job. 19er Sierra, hold short there at the pink shirt. Good job. Bird dog
Coming
flight,
up
hold
to
short behind them.
V1.
Good job.
And so the throttle is
5 star.
rotation
Good
speed.
job. Good hustle. I appreciate it.
See the
Nice
dots?
job.
Yep.
Everyone have a great flight home. We'll see you next
That was
year.
a green
We had a
one.
blast.
That was
We
a
hope you did too.
orange one. Okay.
Couple more coming in, guys. We got
MCT.
another break in the action here. I apologize. We're
Going
trying
up to
take every
3,000.
opportunity to move our
Runway
departures.
heading.
0 Delta Charlie, contact departure. Have a great day. Look at that. I didn't forget.
You didn't forget. Have a great day. Thanks for your help, 0 Delta Charlie.
I don't know, help, but
See ya.
see ya.
You're going 6 second early crosswind turn. You out of the way for the HondaJet departure. 27. Bernita.
Ferndina traffic, HondaJet 430 Delta Charlie now taking off Ferndina.
Okay, full power.
Miami Beach, check the HF Whiskey, turn final, runway 27, Miami Beach.
There's V1 and there's rotation at midfield. Nice. On a hot day. Okay. Go to MCT. Flaps are coming up. Back gear's already up. I already did that. Didn't even think about it. Okay.
That was so smooth.
That was. Thank you, daughter.
You're welcome.
Alright, we're gonna climb to 2,000 feet. The flaps are up. MCT.
Roger 26, midfield downwind 27, Bernita.
Okay.
Miami Beach, check HF Whiskies, on court final, runway 27, Banana Beach.
Okay, 220 on the heading, 2,000 feet.
And Ferndina traffic, HondaJet did depart runway 27, 1,300 feet for 2,000 feet, turning northbound to a 020 heading.
Okay, so we got the lineup and wait.
Cessna 85 uniform, make
Not
the
a
right
clearance
turn.
takeoff,
The
it's a
right turn on
clearance
Delta
to line
1 and taxi back with me via Delta if you're doing another one.
Yes, do another one, Delta 1, 85 uniform.
Okay. We've already briefed the
Republic Tower 61942,
Take
holding
off.
short at 32 Alpha 1. 520 Quebec Lima, Republic Tower. 0 Delta Charlie, northeast approved, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 0 Delta Charlie rolling.
Alright, waiting for full power before brake release, full power. Okay, my right hand stays here until we get to V1, and then it goes over.
Republic Tower
Okay, cross-check
61942, holding
airspeed.
short at 32 Alpha
Good.
1.
Hold center line a little bit to the left. There's
4 Whiskey
V1,
Charlie without
and
delay,
there's
clear for
rotation.
takeoff, northeast approved.
Two good engines. Gears coming up.
520 Quebec Lima.
CT, maximum continuous thrust.
69 Lima Charlie, turning right downwind for 32.
Down a little bit.
9 Lima Charlie, roger,
Lots
extend
of
down and I'll call the base.
Send it down when you call the base, 69 Lima Charlie.
No delay on the roll here, 4 Whiskey Charlie.
Set the altitude.
Roger, no delay, 4 Charlie.
Piper 3 on Romeo, clear touch and go.
Right turn.
On to 0 Delta Charlie, squawk VFR please.
VFR, 0 Delta Charlie.
Cessna 616, traffic's 2 o'clock in a mile northeastbound. I believe it's an RV at 1,000 feet. He's in the airspace without authorization. Additional traffic off your right side.
Someone came into their
Eastbound
space
at 900, type unknown, possibly a
Not a good thing.
helicopter.
Somebody flew in their way. Hold on, gotta slow down a little bit. Pull some power.
61942, holding short at 32 Alpha 1. 61942, tower, hold short. Holding short, 942.
Heading.
Tower 9 Lima Charlie, you're following a Mooney. They're heading to your right on final at 1200.